this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I styled my tablescape. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now hosting in this collaboration is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Dream with Caroline. And if there's anyone else that I might have forgotten, I will be listing them down below in the description box. Now let's get started here with the centerpiece. But let me just tell you that there is a theme to this collab, and it's called Mixing Textures. So before we get started, I wanted to tell you that. So let's start over here and take a look. Now this was a DIY I just made. This is absolutely beautiful. It is a recyclable item, and it says faith can move mountains. And this is a smooth surface, so I wanted you to see that we're working with a smooth surface. And then I went ahead and put dusty rose pink flowers inside the vase. So I think that DIY came out nice. All right, then we have here a cloche with a metal rose and like that burgundy-ish like color. I love it because it has a heart on the top. This cloche, we have some red hearts along the table. Okay, now if we come over here, here is a vase that I DIY. This is another vase. Actually, all the vases I'm going to show you are DIY, and I'm using them to style my table today. Then I went ahead and painted the vase in red. Then, of course, the flowers are absolutely amazing. I believe I got those either from Michael's. I'm not really sure because I've had them for years. But doesn't that look beautiful? So we have a smooth surface, one area where the vase is textured, and then here's another DIY with a different texture. So these vases I did a couple years back, except for that first one. This is absolutely beautiful. And then the texture there is that glitter. Then we have a bling chain that's around there and a rose bling wrap. Okay, so, and then we have some greenery. We have a rose box there from the Dollar Tree. We have my Dollar General, I'm sorry guys, my Dollar General gold bird, and then this rose in here. I love white roses. This rose here came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have the tea light and the tea light holder that also came from the Dollar Tree. And so this is what my centerpiece is looking like. And I mix the textures with items that I created myself. So I hope you really like that centerpiece. Now let's talk about the place setting, guys. Now here we have the white napkins. The napkin ring came from Kirkland's. So this is really pretty. I believe that this was a thrifted item, the napkins. Now we have the salad plate. And this salad plate came from Home Goods. Okay. And so did the dinner plate. Don't you just love that dinner plate? I am loving it. So that both of those came from Home Goods. And then here we have the charger. This charger came from Hobby Lobby. Okay. Then we have the mesh placemat, which also came from Hobby Lobby. And the burlap placemat, and that also came as well from Hobby Lobby. And then I decided to go ahead and layer it this way. Okay, I love that look. It's not nice. And then I placed the charger. And I'm absolutely loving this set right here. Don't you just love those plates? I mean, loving those plates. So now, this is what the place setting is looking like, and the napkin. So here we have the utensils, and they came from Party City when they were open. Then we have the wine glass. That came from the Dollar Tree. I love that shape. Then we have the water glasses, and the water glasses were thrifted. So this is what my tablescape is looking like, and these are the different textures, guys. And that one over there, I'm loving it. So I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.